Hello and welcome back. Happy to inform that going forward, Whada gravy will be called Beyond Bhoomi, where along with unique recipes, you will have convenient, ready-to-use products that I have handpicked and carefully curated to promote health and enhance your well-being. Today, from Beyond Bhoomi, I'm happy to bring to your table the goodness of organic, unpolished black rice in a convenient, delicious and healthy way. Thoughtfully crafted, this black rice idli mix also has sprouted black urad dal, sprouted fenugreek, methi or menthya, which is also sprouted. Black rice, also called as emperor's rice or Karuppu Kavuni Arisi, promotes overall fitness and helps sustain your energy levels throughout the day. Touted as the healthiest of all rice varieties, black rice is naturally gluten-free, high in fibre, antioxidants and phytonutrients, and a good source of protein. Now let us see how to prepare idlis using the mix. I am taking the idli mix from this 200 grams packet. Add to a bowl. Add salt as required. To mix, you will require around 280 ml of water. If you're taking 1 cup, you will need a little less than 1.5 cups of water. Add part of the water first, mix, and keep adding little by little. Once you have added all the water and get the required consistency, break down any lumps that are there to get a smooth consistency. Now our black rice idli batter is ready. Cover and allow it to ferment. The time required for fermentation depends on the temperature at your place. It typically takes 7 to 8 hours in warm climates. After 8 hours, you can see that it is well fermented. Mix lightly. Check the consistency. Heat a steamer pot with water. Grease the idli plates with any cold-pressed oil. Pour the batter into the idli molds. Black urad dal is an excellent source of plant-based protein. It contains all essential amino acids. It also has anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Fenugreek offers benefits like blood sugar regulation, digestive health, weight management, improved heart health, anti-inflammatory effects, and menstrual symptom relief. And place them in the hot steamer. Steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see that the idlis are cooked. Remove from the steamer, allow to rest for a couple of minutes. Remove from the molds and serve. Alternately, you can also steam by placing a wet cloth on the idli plate and pouring the batter into the molds. For this, you will need perforated idli plates. Once steamed, invert onto a plate. Remove the idli plate. Sprinkle some water. Remove the cloth. And here you have your piping hot idlis. You can see how soft and fluffy the idlis are. Serve with sambar or any chutney of your choice. So why sprout? To increase your nutritional uptake multifold. When you sprout, you bring the seeds back to life. Germination stimulates the release of enzymes which makes the nutrients more readily absorbable. with a formidable combination of black rice, sprouted black urad dal, and sprouted fenugreek seeds, along with red rice poha. This idli mix is prebiotic, rich in iron, folic acid, protein, minerals, and vitamins. For a packet of 200 grams, you will get 12 standard-sized idlis. The black rice idli mix is available in quantities of 200 grams, 500 grams, and 1 kg. For booking, WhatsApp 9686319387. We are also open for pre-orders. Wholesome, chemical-free, and free of additives, made in an easy and convenient form. Prepare batches from this idli mix as and when required and have fresh homemade idlis every time.